Good morning, welcome to Maths today. So, we are going to move on to look at something slightly different today. We're going to be doing some multiplication, okay? So, we're going to focus on equal groups and seeing that we can spot them and thinking about how many we have in each group, okay? So, looking at my first example on the board is green, okay? Underneath it says there are equal groups with in each. So we need to decide how many groups have I got and how many is inside each group. So when we're talking about groups, we're talking about collections of things, okay? So how many equal groups have I got here? Let's count. Well, there's a group of some numbers here. There's a group here of some bits inside. There's another one here with some inside. And there's another one here. Okay, so there's one group, two group, three group, four groups. There are four groups. Notice this word, it says equal groups. What does that word mean, equal groups? Equal means they are the same. It has the same number in each group, okay? There are four groups, equal groups. How many is in each group? How many is inside one of the groups? Can you fill in that gap? How many is inside? There are four groups with two in each group. Two in each, okay? Four groups and two in each. So how many altogether? How many little dots are there altogether? Let's count. Can you count in twos with me? 2, 4, 6, 8. Well done. 8 all together. Okay, 8 all together. Four groups with two in each group. Now, I don't know if you can see this one I've written at the bottom because I'm having trouble with where I put my camera today. Okay, there we go. Right. Ignore what we've just done. We can get rid of that out of the way. Let's have a look at this one. Here are my groups. First of all, are they equal? Do they have the same number in each one? Absolutely. Well done if you're saying yes, they do. How many groups do I have? How many groups? What are you thinking? How many groups with these things inside do I have? 2. Well done if you're thinking 2. There are 2, 1, 2. 2 equal groups because they have the same inside with in each group. How many is inside each of them? How many is inside each group? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 2 groups with 4 in each one. Okay? How many are there all together? How many crosses are there all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 all together. There are 8 in this one as well. Okay, so I want you today to really focus on how many groups there are and how many is inside each group. Okay? Think about groups like going to the shops, okay, and I'm going to badly draw. These are my shopping bags, okay. Oops. You've gone shopping with your grown-ups to get some food maybe, and you take 3 bags and you put one thing in each bag, okay? One thing, because it was so heavy you could only put one thing in each bag, okay? Think of the carrier bags like your groups. How many groups have we got? How many bags this time? How many groups? Let's count. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. We have 3 groups, or 3 shopping bags. 3 groups with how many things did we put in each of the bags? How many? They were so heavy we could only put one thing in each bag, with 1 in each. Okay? Think about groups like your shopping bags. Okay? Now, let me show you something. 1, 2, 3 groups with 2 in each. Now, are they equal groups or are they not equal? Do they have the same number in each or do they have different? Hopefully you're thinking, no, they have the same. There's 2 here and 2 here. Okay? What about these groups then? There are 4 groups this time. Do my green groups have the same number in each one? Are they equal? What do you think? No, Miss Palmer, of course they're not. There's 1 in there, there's 2 in there, there's 4 in there, and there's none in there. That's not equal, they're not the same. They are different, okay? So watch out for those today. So really focus on how many groups of numbers there are and how many is in each group, okay? I look forward to seeing how you get on.